when the phone rings in upcoming episodes. Take the romantic turn of their story, Sahon and Hiju find themselves entwined in an unspoken dance of fate. Quiet moments of tenderness and unwavering protection ignite a love that begins to bloom amidst the chaos and danger surrounding them. Sahon's devotion to Hiju shines through every action, a force so palpable it becomes his guiding light. When he finally realizes the peril shadowing her, a determination burns within him, driving him to shield her at any cost. Yet, as the shadow of Doja lingers, it becomes clear he knows far too much about their fragile bond, hinting at a secret so devastating it threatens to unravel everything they hold dear. As Hiju recovers in the hospital, Sahon remains unwaveringly by her side. His quiet actions brim with devotion, carrying her effortlessly, a source of strength and comfort that leaves her both confused and comforted. When he gently dries her hair, Hiju's heart stirs unexpectedly, caught off guard by his tenderness. Later, when Sahon's resolve leads him to move with effortless ease, stepping even into the bathroom to shower, Hiju finds herself flustered, her cheeks flushed with thoughts she can't quite suppress. These fleeting, intimate moments weave a bond between them, one that feels both inevitable and achingly fragile. For Sahon, each glance and quiet gesture offers a bittersweet solace, a chance to atone for every moment he failed to be there for her. Watching her now, he silently vows to make up for the past, one tender action at a time. But the shadow of danger creeps closer, and one night, the peace shatters. A chilling phone call breaks the silence. The kidnapper's furious voice crackles through the line, laced with malice as he demands the return of his phone, threatening to come for both the device and Hiju. Fear grips her heart, her face pale as her fingers tighten around the phone. Before terror can consume her, Sahon steps forward. His presence is unyielding, his voice steady and laced with steel as he declares, "No one's touching you." His gaze locks onto hers, a silent promise that reverberates through the air. In that moment, Sahon becomes her wall against the encroaching darkness. And for the first time, amidst the chaos, Hiju feels the faint stirrings of safety, a flicker of light in a world consumed by shadows. In a story where love is tested by danger and fate, Sahon and Hiju's bond grows stronger, even as the threat of the truth looms closer. Will Sahon's vow to protect her hold firm when the devastating secret is finally revealed? Or will the shadow of Doja and the kidnapper's fury tear apart the fragile connection they've only just begun to build? Stay tuned as their story unfolds, a tale of love, sacrifice, and the quiet power of a promise.